Motors family, this is the 1996 Suzuki Every. This van has a water-cooled Suzuki 3-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. It comes with 27,394 original miles. This vehicle comes with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. As y'all can see, that's 44,088. The miles on it again is 27,394. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I do want to tell you guys that we really appreciate you. Thank you for the continual support, and I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.